Hello, this is my presentation on the timed math quiz assignment. I'm going to initiate the program, and as you can see, I've changed the logo here. I've added the title and changed the background color. I'm going to hit the start quiz button, and at first I'm going to get all right. So 36, 81, so 76, right? 21 and 2. And yes, you got all right. Okay, I'm going to restart the quiz. Now I'm going to get one wrong. For example, I'm going to take the first one wrong. This one would be 2. This one would be 56, maybe. I have no idea. Actually, it'd be 8. And time will go up. And I'm gonna have this message that I didn't finish in time, didn't get the right answers in time. And I hit OK, and I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching.